Yo, so trade day recap. Today lost. Let's see. So tops of X. So today lost 350. So it was like a 0.5%. So that's good. Took one trade, one loss. It's totally fine with taking that loss there. So going into the day, I was actually bullish, even though you can see we're clearly bearish. But yeah, I think that's because of NFP as well. Maybe I can, in future, I can anticipate that in NFP that we're going to the opposite direction. So yesterday, actually, we take out the equal highs here, all these equal highs on the S with the bank holiday. So from there, we immediately just dropped. So I thought, okay, that's fine because no real trading on the bank holiday. So that means all the people there are getting in. They want to be stopped out. So my drawn liquidity was, after taking this high, I was looking for it to go to this sell side here, which eventually we got with I think 9:30. Yeah, so after 9:30 there, took out the sell side there, and from there I was actually bullish again, and I wanted to see higher. But yeah, I have to like recognize this, that this is like a drawn liquidity for NFP. So from here we went lower, and I was actually looking for longs here, and this is the trade that I took. So from here we took out the sell side liquidity. So from here we took out the sell side liquidity at 9:42 here, and then from here I was actually looking for a long. No, I was not looking for a long here. I was looking for a long here. So what I need to see happen before we take out that liquidity is I want to see we take out that liquidity, then I want to see a soup, or I want to see us take that liquidity, step into it, then create structure, then take out that structure, and then turtle soup that, and then go higher. But here I saw that this was going to be, or I anticipated this to be a turtle soup. So from here we went lower, and as you can see we took out this low, and then we have a subi here, 2 minutes. And then I don't know if we had an SMT. Oh, we still had an SMT with this 4-hour low as well. I didn't even know that. I'm seeing it now, I have to be honest. So yeah, there was, or was there? No, there was no SMT, or there was an SMT here. We're taking that long. So right here we took out that low, and this wasn't even necessary, but this fit the rules already. So I already have a model inside of here. But we took out a swing low here, so we have equal low swept on the same time frame as I want the inversion. And then we have a singular inversion, which is on the 2 minutes, so this was actually a beautiful trade. Then we closed above. I don't think we did on this candle, or did we? Yeah, we did close above this candle. It was around the open there because I did with the limit, but it's around market execution. And then I should be break even at this, and then I was starting these highs here. So you can see you just got destroyed on that, went all the way lower, and from here I actually saw that we took out another 4-hour low, so that was actually these here. So I thought, okay, maybe we want to see these equal lows, but from here I was actually looking for shorts because ES already took this low as well. So from there we took out that 4-hour low, and that was like at this point where I thought, okay, from here I'm actually looking for shorts. I'm at the wrong side of the market. If I look at the weekly low, we still have this weekly imbalance here, and we have the previous week low there, which we basically did nothing because it's a doji candle, so basically did nothing here. So in my opinion, this is just going to be accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution to the upside. That's my opinion here, and probably is going to happen here with NFP. But if we look at this here, I was looking for shorts here, and then we didn't get the setup here, so that was actually like the only setup that formed inside of here. Yeah. Or was it? So this, oh no, it was below here, so there was no setup in here. So from here we went lower, and I don't know what the setup was. So I was looking at this here. I wanted to see lower here. Why that was I just explained, like I wanted to see lower. I anticipated that we wanted to go for that weekly low. We still had this 8-hour singular FEG here that we didn't have anything on ES, but we're also still holding this BISI here on ES. You can see actually, or in NQ. So NQ just closed inside of that candle, and from here we did respect it and went a bit higher, but I wanted us to see, we were below it at that time, but I anticipated this to get inversed here, Um, even though I shouldn't do that on a regular basis, but here I was actually confident with the draw on liquidity. So you can see we use this support. I'm going to use this in my notes as well. Like, we didn't close below it yet, but we did use it as an inversion there. And then from here we went lower, and then there was a singular inversion in this entire leg, which was here. And we did inverse this, and this would be amazing entry if I would have gone in here. Oh, that's the wrong one. So close your below there, stop second candles high, and then target that weekly low, which was, and we're just going lower now, but I don't care. The price action has been terrible. We opened at 13.59. This was like terrible price action. I already saw that this is going to be not in favor of what I'm thinking. I was looking for longs down there, but we'll come to there. So from here, first TP would have been this year. It's still inside of A104, so this would be my first TP. Yeah, so that would have been a beautiful trade, but it didn't fit my rules. So my rules were we sweep equal highs and then go lower, or we have an SMT. So I was looking at these highs. These are like really clean highs. Like everyone that went short in here, there were like 3 stop losses there. So I was thinking, okay, we want to sweep this high. Maybe ES wants to do that. If you have an SMT, then that will be a beautiful trade, and I would get in there. But we never got that, and also we didn't sweep equal highs. So we had, like you could say, these equal highs, but we create a swing low between there, and then another swing high. So I want to see like an actual equal high sweep. Then we have a high here on ES, but we have no other swing highs, so no equal highs here. So there was no trade here for me, even though it looked beautiful, but really a lot of shop here as well before taking that weekly target, but still. And then from here I waited. I just closed the charts after we got this price action here. I was still looking for shorts, but when we got this price action, like before that low, I didn't even bother, and was outside the kill zone as well. This maybe could have been something. We have an SMT there as well. No, it's outside of the macro. Okay, so then I was on my charts again, 13.15, and then here as well. Okay, so on the charts again, 13.15, and from here I actually wanted to see longs again, because like look at all this liquidity. I want to see at least this high, but we didn't get that here. So let's see here. Let's mark this out. Okay, so from here we sweep the weekly low here, and then we open at 13.15. So I actually thought that this maybe turtle soup, but it wasn't in the time, so I still waited. We open here at 13.15, and we just went higher at 13.15. I want to see at 13.15. Wait, where is it? I just want to see manipulation before going higher. So I was actually bullish. After sweeping that low, we did have like these beautiful equal lows here as well, which was I think it was here maybe. Oh yeah, we had here these equal lows. So we had all these equal lows here as well, from this and this, and then we open at 13.15. So what I wanted to see is we took out these equal lows just before 13.15. So I wanted to see 13.15 open, then take out this low. Maybe you have an SMT there, like you have a lows there as well. But we didn't, so we went higher from here. So maybe I can anticipate this to be through the swing as well. Then we had a big 1 minute for value gap. So I thought, okay, maybe we are gonna get structure, maybe sweep like equal lows inside of here and then go higher. But we didn't just get it. We didn't get it. Just straight up went through this, and from here went lower. So maybe it could be a short entry there. But after seeing this small price action, like those half candles, like those doji candles, those accumulation candles, like there's no need to be on the charts. It's gonna be bad price action, even though there probably was a trade inside of here. But like I don't want to be in choppy markets. So took a small loss here, just knowing to when to step away. And I'm definitely gonna take this in my notes, because that's actually beautiful. That singular FEG that we have here. Like you have that singular 8-hour FEG. You tap into that. We respect it with the constant encroachment. Look at those bodies inside of that 8-hour actually. Doesn't matter, it's subjective. It's on a 1 minute, could be different on a 2 minute, but still looks really clean here. So I'm definitely gonna write that down, and yeah, that's what I learned today. What else? We're going lower now. I really don't know where we're going to. We're just trading away from the drawn liquidity, which is a target for this for the end of this week. So it could be going lower. We have a volume balance here. We have a volume balance here that could cause rate price action. So these could be drawn liquidity. And then from here, I think it's just going to be accumulation. So from here, I wouldn't touch the charts here. Or I won't touch the charts here. And yeah, that's it. So I'll be back tomorrow again. Where's my...